In a vast and green forest, where the tallest trees stretched towards the sky, a tiny ant named Quirky scurried along, busy as can be with life's little chores. One day, she stumbled upon a quiet oak tree, where she found a peculiar sight. A tiny, shimmering device, small enough to fit inside a grain of rice. Curiosity piqued, Quirky approached the device and saw it hum with energy. Wondering what this marvel could be, she decided to bring it back to her colony. The ants were amazed, their queen included, as they watched the device at work, computing calculations with ease, solving problems that would take them weeks. But with this newfound power, the ants faced a challenge they hadn't foreseen. Distractions and confusion arose, as they tried to outdo each other's tasks. The queen, wise beyond her years, gathered the ants to address their new dilemma. Explaining, "This tiny device is a tool, not a solution to our every woe." She continued, "Our tiny brains, though small, are powerful in their own right, capable of solving problems, making decisions, and navigating our plight. This device should aid us, not replace the wisdom found within our minds. For our collective strength lies in unity, where every ant plays their part." The ants listened, understanding the queen's words, and vowed to learn from their mistake, using the device to enhance their lives, not hinder their focus and their break. With a renewed sense of purpose, they returned to their tasks, working side by side. And though the device hummed with energy, it was the ants who shone with wisdom and pride. In the end, Quirky realized that size didn't matter when it came to intellect. For even the smallest creatures could make the greatest impact on their respect. Though the device was a marvel, it was the ants who understood its true worth. Remembering that wisdom and courage were what they'd always been worth.